But I'm going to start off with this. I have clean hands. I'm off with this tool. We're going to push everything out. Super gentle. It's everything for sensitive skin. It's not tugging. So good, the cooling sensation, and these curves help with lifting. So lymphatic drainage is where all the toxins out of your skin are like taken out, and usually you kind of sweat them out or push them out like this, and the more you use it, the more sculpted your face will be. So I'm gonna try here, and it's gliding because of the serum I'm using, so you can like go here all the way back, lifting, and the other side I could switch. I'm gonna push it here. So all rose quartz is super good for deep puffiness. So when you wake up in the morning, this is perfect because I hate it when I have to do my makeup and my face is puffy. So I have like hooded lids, as you can see here, and when I wake up I'm actually more puffy around my eyes, so that's why I like to use tools like this. But I'm glad this is a rose quartz because it's so cooling. It's good for sensitive skin, it's calming, especially for morning. Now let's switch to this. So this is also rose quartz. So this is going to help with sculpting the jaw, and it stimulates this area here. So this literally focuses on this area and also lymphatic drainage. So I'm going to put this on. So fun fact, rose quartz is actually the stone of love, and it was Cleopatra's favorite because it's anti-inflammatory and it's anti-aging. You could look at this stone as beauty rose quartz stone, and all this kit is made in Japan. Face oil. Okay, now the oil is helping this. So this helps with face lifting. Try this side. Helps with blood circulation as well as puffiness. I think this is more of an intense, so I'd usually use this for a night routine. You can see it's a lot bigger, so I'm gonna try it here. Oh yes. Oh, that feels so good. Next, I really want to try this with the eye serum I have. So this serum is a caffeine solution, which is amazing for under eye bags, discoloration, puffiness, and it's my favorite. So it also says that it's good for puffiness and pigmentation. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use the cupping to help it like work. I'm going to start from here. You can see. Both hands like this to kind of work around here. Making this. Super gentle. guys in so you guys could see. So relaxing. These corners of the mouth I like to help lift. So relaxing. So I'm using this lastly simply because I'm using like the setting spray to finish my skin off with, and then the moisturizer, so this will really help lock everything in. Probably one of my favorite skincare reviews I've ever done, simply because of aesthetic, everything that it comes with. It's a perfect gift for Christmas. Like, the set is beautiful. It's available for pre-order, like internationally. It smells so good.